Hey, good morning everyone, Wyatt here with OVM. Today we're working on a 2006 Kawasaki 650R. Customer's complaint, he was riding it and then it just died. And he kind of got it started and it died, and now I got the keys here. When he puts the key in, and he sent me a little video, it just makes this buzzing sound and it won't start, etc, etc. So this is what I had to work with, and I showed up at his house, and now we're gonna get to work on it. Let's come take a look at the bike. There it is, the EX650R. He took some of the plastic off, made it a little naked bike. The hot dog with hot dogs. All right, let's put the key in and see what's going on, and see if it does anything for us. Oh, that sounds kind of weird. That noise I think I'm hearing, that buzzing noise that he says he heard, I think it's the this should be fuel inject. Yeah, so it's the man, I can't think of the name of it right now. It's the plate that's before the throttle body. They turn and close, open and close. They're electronically controlled. Man, I'll think of the name of it. I'll put it in the description. Anyways, obviously it's got a few things going on, but one of the places I'm going to look first is the battery. On the Kawasaki 650R, to access the battery, you need to pop the seat. Now, there's nothing on the sides. Place to put the key in, then you put the key on the side. So what you want to do is take this back foot peg right here, follow it straight up. When we do that, okay, a little hole right here. Okay. Okay, and then you can turn it. That's going to release the seat. Put the seat out of the way. It just activates a cable that goes to right here, which clips into the back of the seat. Okay. Now I have access to the battery. So we got this red just sitting here. Tiny bit loose on the positive. Uh-oh. The negative is just chilling. I have another video just like this. Similar symptoms. Just loose battery terminal. Alright. So I'm going to actually take off the battery terminals. Right. And I'm going to put some electric grease, but there's a name for it. Hold on. Dielectric grease, that's the name of it. Dielectric grease. I'm gonna put dielectric grease on the terminals. I'm gonna get that negative off first, obviously. No sparkies. And then we'll do the positive and put the negative back on. Again, the tight fit in here. I'm just gonna take the negative's already loose. Actually missing the piece. Yay. Well, that's okay because I do have extras. Lots of extras. The positive is loose too. Wonder if it has a piece in there. It does. Okay, well, let me go to my spare parts and I'll get the extra piece for the negative and we'll get that installed. So I'm pretty sure every mechanic has one of these, and you've seen mine before, I'm sure, it's other videos. My bolt, extra spare parts, that's bolt pin. This is one of them. I have a couple of them, but this is one that I have battery. That's just a specific spot right here for electrical and battery pieces. Okay, so now that I have the battery now finally secure, let's see if that changes the outcome. In. Yep. Okay, we have the gauges are now reading properly. Okay, still, I guess the battery is pretty drained. Let's give her a jump. When I did have the battery, had my jump box on it, and I pushed the start button, and we were getting power down to the starter. It was going clunk, which concerns me. And alright, so I'm putting it back to a level spot, as I was wondering. Maybe I was off. Let's have a look in here. Nothing. Let me lean it all the way as far as I can to the left without dropping it on myself. Nothing. This thing is bone dry. Alright, man, your motor's locked up. Well, came for the electrical and did my diagnosis. I'll still put his battery on a charger while I pack up my tools, though. Alright, I'll give him a call and let him know the bad news. Something's locked up in there, and I guess is, who knows, dude, without tearing it apart. No oil is a bad situation. Okay, be right back. Hey everyone, Wyatt back here. So with this Kawasaki 650R, you come for the electrical, and that's the video he sent me. Totally sounded electrical, and it was. The battery, there you saw, there's an issue with the battery terminal there. However, even after putting my jump pack on it, you push the start button, and it just went clunk, nothing. Like it would not turn over the motor. And then I felt the wire, the positive wire, and it was starting to get a little warm. So I thought about it, and I tried rocking it back and forth in first gear, nothing. I gave it a little push down the driveway, nothing. Then, as you saw in the other part, I tipped it over and there was just no oil in it. I asked the customer, I said, hey, you know, your motor's locked up pretty much. And he's like, yeah. So he knew. He was like, yeah, it had white smoke for a while, and the last guy he bought it from, he didn't think he did any maintenance, and it's just one of those things. He's parting it out. So, you know, we're done for us for today. Thanks for watching, and you know, sometimes you come for the electrical and you leave with a locked up motor. Not my fault. Well, it was not me. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please give me a like and subscribe. All right. Bye.
Perfect.